cars are so much fun, man. What's up, guys? Thought I'd take a video for you. It's early in the morning here. I'm in the WRX. Wanted to go over how much this car has cost me throughout my ownership. I've had it for about a year and a half, and I just wanted to go over everything, including the purchase price, the mods that I've done to it, kind of everything to kind of give you a rough idea of how much it would cost to own a WRX. I do have to preface this. They no longer make this trim level that I have. This is the base model. They stopped making it back in 2024. In my opinion, that was a mistake, but we won't get into all of that. I'm gonna put all the amounts up on the screen because I'm not gonna know right off the top of my head. The ones I do, I will let you know right now. I purchased the car in March of 24. I think that's right. March of 24. I spent, it was 28 and a half, 29,000 out the door. I had a good deal. I work at the dealership, great deal overall. So roughly that. I did finance the car. I put a decent chunk down, but it was 2.9% at the time. So I thought that was only smart to do. The first mod that I got was the shifter stop, actually, from Perrin. That was $40. And by the way, I'm going to add up all the totals and everything throughout the video and have a grand total at the end. I don't know if I want to know it. I've never added it up fully, but I guess I'm going to find out today. The second mod I got was the axle back from Aeroflow Dynamics. That one was about $400. Third mod I got was the spoiler, actually. My girlfriend bought that for me, but I'm going to go ahead and add everything in total just so you know and you have an idea of how much the whole build costs in general. The fourth thing I got was the Noble front grille on the front there. I'll put a picture up. It's my favorite grille. I think that was $200. I have the Perrin, or sorry, not, I don't have the Perrin. I bought the Perrin pitch stop, and I actually changed it to the Group N pitch stop, which was about $80, if I'm not mistaken. If we want to count, I have a radar detector, that's $400. We'll add that in for shits and giggles. I did tint my windows, that was about $400 for a ceramic tint. I do have the STI strut bar. I did get a good deal because I bought that from my manager, but usually that's about $300, so we'll throw that in there as well. The other thing is wheels and then tires. So I bought the base model at the time had 17-inch wheels, so I bought 18-inch wheels and I had to get new tires. So I bought some Anki Triumphs, and they're the classic WRX fitment, so plus 38 on the offset, 18 by 9.5 wheels. In my opinion, they look really good and they go well with the sapphire blue. And then just some Falcon tires. I think those were 700, 800, which actually is not bad for tires. Next thing I got was coilovers. So that was just about $1,300. They were the Silver's coilovers. The other thing I got with the coilovers were the control arms for the rear end. On these cars specifically, you can't control the camber from factory. The control arms don't have any adjustments. So I wanted to do that because when I got the coilovers, I knew that there was going to be a pretty significant amount of rear camber. So all in all, the amount of money I've spent on the car isn't horrible given the fact that you can't even really get into a WRX now for less than $37, which is kind of mind-blowing to me. And once again, I don't want to get into that. I'm very opinionated on what Subaru's doing right now for the WRXs. If you want that as a video, then maybe we could talk about it. But yeah, I just I put out this short little, I don't know, 5-10 minute video of what I've spent on the car. Do I regret spending the money I've spent? I don't. It gives me, there's value in that for me. To other people it might seem dumb, but it gives me something to do. I get to do these fun little projects every now and then, and then I get to see the car become what I want it to be. Because stock, these cars, in my opinion, they're not for me. These cars are so much fun, man. They corner so well, even on stock suspension, but with the coilovers, they corner even better. But yeah, like I said, just wanted to keep this video simple, simple and short. I don't have much else to talk about. I haven't bought that much for the car. Like I said, I still don't really want to see the total, knowing what I've spent. I know it's mid-30s, high 30s, but so I'm editing this video and I realized I did not preface for the total amount at the end. So I just wanted to say it here. Here's the total amount. It's $34,580 for everything that I've put into the car so far, not including any payments or anything like that, just mods and the price of the vehicle. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you all later. Thanks. I do plan on getting some other stuff which will bring that total up. I have about 3 or 4 more mods that I want to do here in the next few months, and I do plan on recording that. I have a bad habit of just going into the install and not recording anything, but I'm gonna record. So please let me know if you guys have any questions and what you'd like to see next. Thanks.